96.
Oh, wow. Oh, she got dirt on it.
It's a little bit dirty.
She came from a cottage town.
Yeah.
So I'm
a daily driver, man.
Yeah, it's a daily driver. We'll open this guy. To get access to this thing, we need to loosen this guy just a little bit. Take this little mass airflow, whatever sensor.
Sensor, yeah.
Take that sucker off, and then
sensor.
And then we access it from there. Lefty loosey, right? Should be good. A little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, the holes become down.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Yeah, first time. There's like 4, whatever. What do you call these? Clips. Yeah, I've never.
In place.
Is that the horn?
Yeah.
I've never. You know what? We're gonna test the horn live. I haven't pressed it yet. Hopefully it works.
And then one speaking out like a fucking wastegate.
Yeah.
Or the blow-off valve.
It's looking pretty. Straight down there. It just comes off just like that. Oh, this thing has a. I'm just gonna leave it on the side because there's already a thing there.
Leave it like this. Just gotta change that quickly.
Should come right out just like that. Hey, not that much.
That looks like the right one.
Yeah, just.
Bad with the outside today, guys.
Yeah.
Apologize for the wind noise, but
yeah, that looks like the right one. We got I think the premium feature is this thing. So it looks like it's just gonna go in a spot like this here. From here. Should fall right into place. We're right. Perfect. Nice. And then what we're gonna do is shimmy this thing right back into place. Just like that. And then put my gloves on, but that's okay. Put that guy right back in there. Start locking it in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this should just satisfy. Nice. Amazing. Then we get this guy. And heat it.
How you doing that tune-up?
That's the guy who thought it was a brand new car.
what are you doing, man?
Good, good.
You're gonna meet the video.
Oh, your video? I didn't know that.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's in the cup? What kind?
Tim, McDonald's coffee double.
My favorite.
Nice.
My favorite. We are done with the engine air filter change.
Nice. And now we're changing the wipers.
Yeah, these are getting a little old. Like when they're like cleaning, they don't clean like properly. So I just wanna
show you guys the trunk while we have it open. It's a pretty big trunk, man. Like, I can probably fit in there for sure.
100%. My first time opening this
Trunk?
no, this little whatever. A Trico Ultra extended life beam blade for all 4 seasons because it's a daily driver. Lasts 3 times longer.
Let's see. We'll find out.
Compared to what? Like the other one? I don't know. Okay,
I
sure.
don't know.
Nice. All weather. Let's see if there's any. 27 coating engineered for extended wear resistance. Twin rail design provides uniform pressure for a streak-free wipe. Vortec airfoil provides maximum windshield contact. All right, anyway, this is the most expensive wiper blade I ever bought. Expensive car. Well,
No, premium car.
premium car, premium wiper blade. It makes
Exactly.
sense. Dude, never had wiper blades come with this shit. What is that? I don't even know. That was it? That's it?
Yeah.
And then you just
Take that up. Slide it up.
I don't think it's like
Slide it out.
No. There we go. Yeah, that's weird. It's got like a little thing thing that stops it from sliding out? Are you supposed to just like... Let's see. There we go. Oh, I guess you just lift that little tab and then... Alright, let's see. Perfect. It's in place.
Looking good.
Dude, this piece is huge. What the hell?
Yeah, it's a heavy duty one, which is good. So we'll show you how to take it out.
Dusty. So, I mean, this is just a Bosch wiper and it just comes right off.
Easy peasy.
Wow. Yo, let me know if you want this. Slightly used, really well taken care of original owner wiper blade. Literally. What's this? There's a little J-hook in there. You kind of just slide it on and it makes a noise. And then it's in place. And then, yeah. Put it in. Amazing.
That's it.
That's it. Dude! What is this? Heated windscreen?
I'm pretty sure this is to keep the wipers warmed up. I'm pretty sure there's a button inside that activates it. Because as you guys can see, the wipers sit straight on the lines over there at the bottom on the windscreen.
Is it this one right here?
So let's see.
I always wondered what this button did.
Yeah, it might be this one.
That one at top, yeah.
It might be this one.
Blind spot.
Yeah.
Dang. That's kind of cool.
Proper.
Already got the process started a little bit, cleared out this thing. It comes with this wonderful little tray that you kind of just pop out of place. And then, from my understanding, it is just 2 of these tabs. Comes off, very easy. Ah. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like already in like a spot, like so the filter kind of goes in there. I'm like, why is this filter like plastic and this is not plastic?
All right, so we're doing the cabin air filter.
K&N.
K&N, man.
Never put a K&N product in any of my vehicles before. There we, first time. Here we go. Lifetime cabin air filter. Whatever that means. Guess I'm never changing it. Or I don't know, we're gonna open it, we'll see. Filtration for the future. Absolutely stunning product.
So this goes right in there, in the glove box.
In the glove box.
You already have it out.
Yeah. So, here it is right here.
That's the old one that came out.
And this is super dirty. Very dirty. If we look at this, what a product. Dude, what the heck?
K&N not sponsored.
Guys, sponsor us, man. Like, what? I can't be, I mean, you're lucky about the lifetime one. I don't have to keep buying this. But, alright, it's a little, what's this shit lubed up, bro? What the fuck is this? But anyway, like, so compared to this, like, reusable filter, I guess, like this one right here that I'm taking out, where's the airflow? Oh, we got some stuff falling out already. Okay, I'm just gonna put that there. Oh, actually, no, I'm not, I'm
gonna put that outside, man. Just chuck it outside. It's garbage anyways.
It's gone. It's on private property, we didn't litter. Okay, now we are looking at, so this is a bit smaller, interesting.
Well, we got a little problem now.
We got more than a little problem.
So this air filter doesn't fit in the cubby that it's supposed to fit in.
Look at this.
So
this thing right here has two little grooves right here, right?
Yeah, the middle grooves are supposed to
line up with the filter. So I have the right filter. This is for a Lexus. Great part number, amazing. There's the 2 grooves in the photo for the Figure 7. But ours only has a singular one. So I think this is for a different Lexus product or a different car.
So it's only one over there.
Yeah.
See, if you do that, and it's like 30% and then the rest over there. So it's supposed to be 50 and 50.
Yeah, exactly. This one is 50 and 50 right here. So what seems to have maybe happened here is we have the right part number, so that's correct. However, it looks like somebody put the wrong one in this box. Hold on.
So it's got the part number on it.
Yeah, VF2054, and it's supposed to be 2057 as the box says.
Yeah, they sent the wrong one.
And also as the freaking instruction says. But anyway, that's very interesting because it looked like it was already tampered with, this one. So I think somebody might have pulled a fast one. I don't know if this is cheaper or more expensive, but anyway, well, we're not making that change today.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna do the walk of shame and pick up the yeeted one. Sometimes in life, it's all good. It's all good.
I mean, you could clean that up after and then put it back in. Are you able to clean it or?
It's
Or
kind of
just fuck
dirty.
it?
I might just, a boom, boom, pow, pow. Yeah. You know, this is gonna have to do for now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll put this sucker right back in how it came.
So show it on this one. Does it show?
No, there is none.
Oh, this is a different one.
Yeah, so I think because the way the grooves are here,
Yeah.
like there's spaces on both sides, so it just kind of like fits right in.
Yeah.
So up and up. Fantastic. Wow. Maybe put it in just like that. Just like that. Sorry. Put that sucker in, and then you. Oh, it perfectly fits in the grooves. Look at that. Amazing. So anyway, we're gonna keep this one for the time being, and I'm gonna call customer service on the other one. You gotta hear the click. And then put this wonderful little piece back on.
Alright. So that's it for today. Nice video. Congratulations on the Lexus again.
Thank you.
We're gonna start making more videos on it. This summer the plan is to just drive it stock.
Yeah.
Keep it OG.
I love this thing, man.
Enjoy the premium gas that you're pumping in it. The V6 takes a premium gas.
Yo, that was a change.
Yeah,
Than the
premium. Keyword premium. Right?
Yeah, the keyword. Yeah, it's
so
premium in the gas section.
Premium
too.
car, premium wiper, so premium gas.
Premium gas.
Yeah, but
I mean-
this is sick, man.